Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Today we discuss remaining part of future tense. Okay. So what is future tense? Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense which starts from present but continue till beginning. Clear? So no need to write definitions of these, and if you have any confusion you can go through your books. Clear? So you can write easily structures of these tenses. So no need to write any type of write down structure. Subject plus helping verb shall will be plus verb first form ing. Negative subject plus helping verb helping verb subject plus will, shall, not plus verb first form ing. And interrogative what? Interrogative is what? Interrogative is will, shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form ing and rest of the sentence and question mark. Clear? So these are the structure of future continuous tense. Indicators write down tomorrow, future continuous tense. These are the structures of future continuous tense. These three are the structures of future continuous tense. Now indicators write down tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, next year, at this moment, at this moment. Clear? So write down example. You will be learning, you will be learning, you will be learning your lesson at this moment, your lesson at this moment. Clear? So this is all about the future continuous tense. Now next is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Perfect tense. Same affirmative, negative and interrogative. Three structures are there. Future perfect tense also have three structures. Subject plus will, shall plus have, will, shall have plus verb third form plus by the end of time. End of time. Clear? Then subject plus will, shall plus not plus have plus verb third form and same by the end of time. Same will, shall plus subject plus have plus verb third form. Clear? And question mark. So these are the three structures of future perfect tense. Clear? Now indicators of this is by word come by the end of time, or plus by plus or by plus time. Clear? So example write down. Example, by the end of the March, by the end of March, by the end of March we shall have made this building. We shall have made this building. made this building. Clear? So this is called future perfect tense. In this we use by the end of time and by the end of by plus time. So this is all about the future continuous future perfect tense. Now we discuss about the future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Clear? Now affirmative, negative and interrogative. This will be same. This will be same. Only what is the change in this? Write down complete only. Subject plus helping verb, shall have, will have plus verb first form, ing, since, for plus time, since for plus time. Here subject plus helping verb, subject plus shall, will, have, not, have been also here, been, have, not plus been plus verb first form ing plus since, for plus time. Clear? And here is what? Shall, will plus subject plus have been plus verb first form ing plus verb first form ing since for plus time, question mark. Clear? Now example of this is, write down example, write down she will have been singing for, write down example, by December 2019 we shall have been living in Jaipur for 2 years, for 4 years, for 4 years. This way we use present future perfect continuous tense. So this is our future perfect continuous tense. Now here our all all tense chapter is completed. In next class we will discuss chapter 7 verb chapter. Okay, so prepare for that, and you all fill exercise of this chapter. Fill exercise of tense chapter. Fill exercise of tense chapter. Clear? Now tense class is over. Today's class is over here. So thank you and have a nice day.